देखो मैं पहला भी कहा ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ कि lethargicity C, this was the last priority. We are trying to make it a first priority of everybody and trying to make them understand the gravity of the situation. So they are coming up. Wherever we have gone, we have noticed that very less work or no work has been done. But now the officers are responsive. They are trying to cooperate, and sometimes there is a paucity of funds, and that's also being looked after because of smart projects and many other more projects. So now the things will change. You will see the change within. Stubble burning वाले different committee है, but even then we will answer. नहीं, एक इधर दी कोई गल नहीं है. जिथे किते वैसे air साडा ये subject नहीं है, but even then they are sitting here. Many cases. See this leather complex. This has been closed because they were causing violation.
Sir, High Court ne kita.
No. 33A notices have already sent, and those have been issued. Electric connections have been cut. No. High Court came afterwards.
High Court ne kita.
No. High Court also, and the Pollution Control Board also. Orders are there. They have issued the orders to cut the connections. So wherever any industrialist, we have gone to many places, and wherever we found, we have also taken samples of 2-3 industries here also, and wherever we go as a sample, we go and check 2-3-4 industries, whatever the time is available, and wherever the samples are not up to the mark, and they are being punished. In Bathinda, we have recommended a cost, deterrent cost of more than 50 lakhs in some cases, 50 lakhs. In Badi, the committee goes and more than 1 crore has been recommended. So wherever we find that violation is there, and as it is established after the checking of the samples, action is taken. We have taken a commitment from them. So far as this solid waste is concerned, Mr. Lakra is sitting. They have said they are going to start the work within 6 months, and concessionaire will, this is a time period fixed, entire this material lying in that place will be cleared in 4 years. It is a waste of more than 25 years. It will take some time, and they have given this commitment, and we will ensure that this commitment is complied with. So far as new STPs are concerned, they have given a timeline, and we have asked them to give step-by-step timeline to us so that we can ask them questions. And within next 1.5 years to 2 years, more than 75 liters of MLD is likely to be cured. That we have ordered them to close all the outlets, this discharge outlets in the river, and most of them have been closed. Only one remains. That they have assured us that within a week or 10 days that will be closed. And secondly, how that can be cured? For that, temporarily, short-term method, average water consumption is fixed at the national level 150 liters per person. In Jalandhar, it is around 300 liters. So we have told them to rationalize it and decrease. And they are rationalizing it. They will ensure that every area is getting near about 170 or 200 liters of water. If this is decreased, 100 liters is taken out, then each drop will be cured accordingly, proper treatment. So we have issued this direction. They will take action. They will rationalize. It will not happen that somebody is not getting, somebody is getting. They will rationalize the system in such a manner that everybody is getting, and getting for a lesser period and less amount of water, which is requisite and rather more than the national average. Industry focal point, they have given a timeline. Officer was here, that they are going to establish STP, common STP, and ETP, both, and that they are likely to complete within 1.5 years. And whichever industry is found lacking and it's caught, we have directed them to inspect every industry as per the CPCB guidelines. There are guidelines. They will maintain a register for each industry, and they will go to that industry, and if it is found lacking, then action will be taken. You tell us any instance where it was lacking and action is not taken. So we have been assured that
Since 1992,
so
they've been promised
they have said, they have assured us today, let us see what happens, that they will run the system in such a manner that from that industrial point, the effluent will come late, not in a manner that it will flood. So they have said for the last week it's not happening and it will not happen in future. But rest you will check and you tell us if it is happening. So we will issue further actions.